Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your font larger and easier to read on your Android phone. So let's swipe down from the top right, go to Settings, and we are looking for an option called Display and Brightness. Now, on your phone, it might be a little bit different depending on your phone version or your brand, but mine is Display and Brightness. I can scroll on down under here. Now, I can see font settings. First, I want to go to Display Size. Choose your display size. So if I go to really small, this is how it's going to look. Maybe back in my day when I was younger I could read all this, but I like going to large and then go back. Once you set the display size, then go to your font settings, and then you can determine your font size under here. So this can be separate than your display size. So you can see the user interface is larger but the font is smaller right now. If I go back here, I can make my font huge and it'll fit within that display. So this is the largest that you can have everything, and this is still usable even though it's still pretty large like this. So usually I like, if I go to the font settings, I like just going to extra large. And then you can add more boldness to your words and your text too if you go on down here. And apparently this font only has bold or normal. So if I want to change my font, I can get a different font too that's a little bit easier to read if I go to more. And I can go to like the latest or free fonts right here, and I can just decide. So I got the Android font. Otherwise this one I got an Honor phone. You can just scroll on through here, see if there's anything you like under here for your fonts. There might be something a little bit more bold or something. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.